Hello everyone. We'll start our session within 2 or 3 minutes. Till that time, just join the session and tell your friends to join the session ASAP. We are gonna start our session within 2 or just 3 minutes. We'll begin at 6:33 p.m. Okay. So yeah, tell your friends to get joined to the session. Tell your friends ASAP so they will get joined to the meeting. So good everyone. Good evening everyone. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of responses from you guys. Ajay, Shubham, Samir, then Prajakta, Samar, some are from SITS Nare, some are from, yeah, today we have 2 colleges together. So let's get started. It's 6:34 p.m. right now, and uh, so we need to begin our session. And we have enough crowd in our live sessions also. Okay. So good evening everyone, and it's wonderful to see such a vibrant crowd gathered here today. And I want to take a moment to acknowledge our two amazing colleges represented in this session, that is Sinhagad and Amrutvayani. So comment in the comment section from which college are you, and from which college are you guys, like from you are learning and you have admission. Yeah, I'm saying some of them are telling Sinhagad SITS Nare. Uh, is there echo in the sound? Because I'm getting some messages in the echo. Yeah, we have responses like SCAN SCOE, we have responses Amrutvaini, we have SKN, SCAN SCOE, NBN. Yeah, good. Tell your branch also, guys, so I will get an idea about it. AVCOE. Yeah, so we have fixed our echoing issue also. So yeah, you can start. Yeah, Karan. Sure. So today, like NBN, electrical, NBN. So today, I think AVCOE students are less than the Sinhagad. Why this happen? Computer NBN, SCAN IT, SCAN COE. So yeah, I have like this seen a lot of responses there. So and I can see lots of comment from Sinhagad boys, and I think he hear lots of crowd from the Sinhagad college, and I'm feeling so happy to see you guys, and I'm also like I would like to tell you that I am also passed out from the Sinhagad college. And I hope you are all enjoying your college experiences and making the most of your time here. And I would love to hear from you that, I would love to hear from you that how you're feeling about your engineering journey so far and what's on your mind. So feel free to share your thoughts, whether it's excitement, challenges, or anything in between. Like basically, I want to know your college journey, what it is going, how it is going, it is going on in your colleges. Prajakta, Chinmay, Nida Sheikh, Chinmay Belkar. So I want to know how your college journey going on. Till now it's fine. Mayuresh Vaksaure. Dame said that it's going good. Yeah, so I hope you all are enjoying your college experiences and college life and making the most of your time here. I would love to hear from you. And like now, with that energy and those thoughts in the air, let's dive into today's session. We are going. We are going to explore some key insights and experiences that can help shape your engineering path. So let's get started. So now we are like shifted to the another point. We are getting some replies from our friends like it's okay, exams are coming, then exploring new things. Yeah, it's when you entered in the engineering journey, you always explore something new. So our today's topic, now let's get started, and our today's topic is conversational AI. So what is conversational AI? Conversational AI refers to the technologies that enables machines to communicate with humans in natural conversational manner. And when I say natural and conversational manner, means like how I'm talking to you in English language, in same the likewise languages you are talking with the machines. Before, what happened when like there are so many languages, Java, Python, and there are so many languages, so but machine only able to decode those languages. You cannot say that uh, anything like, let's suppose you are writing a if else condition, okay, and you need to you need to write the if else code in a specific syntax, and if within a specific manner, then only your machine will understand that, and your machine will decode that, your machine will get to know what it needs to do. But when it comes to the conversational AI, or when it comes to the natural manner, which means you are communicating with the machine in your native language, like in English or in Hindi or in Marathi, Gujarati, likewise. So this conversational artificial intelligence includes chatbots, virtual assistants, and artificial intelligence driven platforms that can understand and respond to human language. Those tools have become increasingly prevalent in our daily lives, from customer service to personal assistance, making our interaction with technology more intuitive. When it comes to the conversational AI, the important, like in the conversational AI, prompt crafting is the important aspect. It is the one key aspect of using conversational artificial intelligence effectively. It is how we frame our prompts or questions. The way we structure our request can significantly influence the quality of response we receive. A well structured prompt can lead to more relevant and useful answers, while poorly crafted, one might leave us with the vague or a generic information. Uh, do you know, guys, about prompts or a prompt engineering? Do you have idea what it is, and uh, like what includes in the prompt engineering? How many guys know? Please raise the hand. Those who don't know about it, I will tell you. But those who know what is prompt engineering, please raise your hands. Like when I say raise your hand, you can show the thumbs up in the chat box. UV says no, he don't know about prompt engineering. Okay, I will tell you in detail what is prompt engineering. What is when I say prompt, then what it means. Aditya says no. Okay, so I think among of us, very few knows about prompt engineering, and many of those don't know about the prompt engineering. Yeah, SK Creation. Please rename yourself by your name so I can identify you guys. And as I said, you have prize money at the end of this workshop. So to identify who is responsive and who are not, I need your original names. Okay, so I will tell you what is prompt engineering. First, let's define prompt engineering. In simple term, it's the practice of designing and optimizing the inputs from an AI model, particularly large language modules like GPT-4. You guys know ChatGPT, right? So GPT-4, we called it as a GPT-4. Yeah, the goal is to achieve the best possible output by crafting effective prompts that guides the AI artificial intelligence responses. This involves a deep understanding of both the technology and the context in which it's applied. Uh, like here, when I say context, then prompt engineering is the field where you work on a multiple things. Okay, so I'm just to tell you here, I say when I say context, when in which context I have told you. Okay, So if you are giving writing prompt to the chat, let's take a simple example for a chat gpt. Right now we assume that chat gpt is the only conversational ai. There are so many in the market, but let's assume for now we have only chat gpt. So will revolves our things between the chat gpt for now only. So now if you are giving prompt to the chat gpt that write the poem for my girlfriend, okay, and in the second context you are writing the message or prompt that write the mail for the, like suppose for a leave approval to the college hod, okay. In that aspect chat gpt should know which context, now here you guys can understand the both contexts are different. When you something related to girlfriend, then it should be in a romantic way, and when it's something for like leave approval or something related to chat or something related to the mail, and it's for the hod, there are two different contexts given to the chat gpt, but it's a machine to understand, to create the response in a romantic way or in a formal way. It this to understand this context, prompt engineering works, or prompt engineers works to understand the context, to reply, to create a responses as per the user statements, okay. So now let's talk about the job. Sorry, it's prompt engineering. If you guys are able to, if you guys are interested, then search on the Google about prompt engineering. You will get a lot of videos. You will get a lot of information on the Google, um, because it's a hot topic. And it's a really fascinating topic. So let's a little bit. I will tell you in a brief about job opportunities in the prompt engineering to motivate you somehow. So the demand of prompt engineering is on the rise across the various industries. Okay, so including tech, including finance, healthcare, education, like everywhere need now we need a prompt engineers. And like there are so many positions in the prompt engineers also. Like there are itself prompt engineer, then ai ml researcher, there are openings for data scientists, then content strategist. So when I say prompt engineering, it is the post focused on designing and refining the prompts for specific application. When I say AIML researcher, it's the thing where the people working on developing the new models and improving the existing one. When I say data scientist, it's related to utilizing prompt engineering skills to analyze and interrupt data effectively. Um, and when I say content strategist, it's related to the crafting content that leverages the artificial intelligence outputs to enhance user engagement. Okay, so you don't need to write anything or keep the running roads ready. I will provide all this data after this session gets in. Okay, so you just need to listen and focus what I'm telling you. To become a prompt engineer, some skills are required. So what skills do we need to thrive in this field? So there are some competencies. Okay, so firstly, technical proficiency, of course, analytical thinking, you need creativity, you need communication skills, you need a very good programming knowledge. When I say programming knowledge, then understanding like Python. Then there are some artificial intelligence frameworks. Now, very fascinating point about the prompt engineering, the salary. uh, like while this can vary significantly based on the location, it's dependent upon the experiences, it depend upon the specific company, but prompt engineers can expect salary ranging from $80,000. I'm saying dollars, not in the indian rupees or something else. Its minimum salary start 18,000 and it go up to $150,000. And when I say dollars, you need to multiply it into 80. So it goes into the crores. You after gaining 2 3 years of experience, you will easily earn a 2 3 crores yearly package in the prompt engineering. And I'm not faking anything. You can Google it. You will get to know this is reality. As artificial intelligence is becoming a very hot topic nowadays. So that's the reality of the prompt engineering jobs right now. And with that package of the 2 3 crores, you will get some perks of jobs like you will get to work in the innovative work environment, then flexible work hours, then your professional growth will be like there is you can simply find yourself. आपको वो गैप महसूस होगा जो आप अगर प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियर बनते हो तो आपके बीच में एंड अदर नॉर्मल डेवलपर्स के बीच में. And then collaboration. Again, why collaboration? Because nowadays artificial intelligence is a top booming technology. Everyone like सब सीख रहे हैं उसके बारे में. And उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा इनोवेशन हो रहा है. दिन ब दिन चीज़ें बदलते जा रहे हैं. आप अगर जेमिनाई यूज करते हो तो आपको हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ उनमें अपडेट्स आ रहे हैं जेमिनाई में. तो दैट्स व्हाट हैपनिंग नाउअडेज. So in this aspect, we are bringing something very best for your future on the table, and that I will tell you on the last day of our workshop. Okay, so stay tuned with us. Now you guys have understand the importance of the prompts in the conversational artificial intelligence. Okay, so so okay. So let's understand the difference between good prompting and bad prompting. Let's open the chat GPT, okay? Or wait for a while. For now, tell me some of the conversational AI tools name. Like which AI tools do you know which is similar to the chat GPT? I'm watching responses and I'm getting some responses from you guys. टेल मी सम नेम्स अपार्ट फ्रॉम जेमिनाई. हाँ, जेमिनाई तो मैंने ही खुद आपको बोल दिया. चैट जीपीटी के सिमिलर कौन कौन से? वाओ दैट्स वेरी मच इंटरेस्टिंग. परप्लेक्सिटी, ब्लैक बॉक्स, मेटा एआई, मेटा, जेमिनाई. ओके, गुड. आई नीड मोर responses apart from these. Don't repeat. Google Assistant, Siri, good. We use multiple times this Google Assistant, Siri, Alexa kind of things. Meta AI, Copilot, nice. Alexa, yeah. So I will tell you some of the tools which is similar to the Chat GPT. And like we are Chat GPT is the first. We can say why we always use Chat GPT or we are fascinated about the Chat GPT. Just because it comes into the market very first, and they branded themselves a lot. So on the tip of the tongue, we said chat gpt, but I found some of the tools which is far better than the chat gpt. So they are Surfer AI. It is the best for SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. Okay. So Surfer AI is an alternative to ChatGPT. If you are looking to create long form SEO content at the click of a button, then unlike ChatGPT, which has a word limit, Surfer can help you create articles over 300,000 words without multiple prompts. Okay. When you use ChatGPT, you need to give a multiple prompts, so the ChatGPT will create a big amount of data for you. Okay, so Surfer AI is the, I can say, when you need to generate a large amount of data, then you can use a Surfer AI. A ChatGPT alternative like Surfer AI removes manual work from the most time consuming content tasks, like writing articles and search engine optimization, which is SEO. ChatGPT substitute for long form content, Surfer AI and products. Then there is a Microsoft Copilot, which is formerly Bing AI or Bing Chat. Copilot is Microsoft's innovative solution for expanding the functionality of Edge browser and Bing search engine. It's available in the browser sidebar if you use Microsoft Edge. How many of us using Microsoft Edge? Tell me. It allows, I am seeing some of the chats, but yeah, let's go ahead with this. Allowing users to ask complex questions and receive comprehensive answers without toggling between the tabs. So there is another tool which is named Cloud 3, developed by Anthropic. Cloud is capable AI assistant that can perform various tasks such as engaging in conversational dialogues, writing content, and automating basic tasks like document formatting. It's a solid alternative to ChatGPT for business users, particularly because cloud advertises security as one of its main selling points. It implements various industry standard security protocols and claims the model it isn't trained on your data, which is ensures privacy. Like ChatGPT 4, it comes with both paid and free models. Cloud 3 Sonnet is a free version similar to ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo, and Cloud 3 Opus, it is faster and better performing model. It's comparable to GPT-4. Both models have context windows of 2000 K tokens, roughly 1050 150 150,000 words. This means cloud can remember a huge chunk of information you have provided and use it generate more accurate responses. To put this into perspective, GPT-4 Turbo has context windows of 128 tokens. Cloud is also generally better of following instructions. Okay, then Perplexity AI. It is very popular. Okay, some of us told this AI tool also. Even though it's been around for just over a year, it's not like it's just came into the market. Perplexity has gained lots of traction in AI space. It's chat gpt alternative focused on search, promising to provide accurate, up to date information using real time web searches. So, if you need a tool for a research intensive use case, Perplexity is a great since it also cites all its sources. Perplexity Artificial Intelligence is founded by team of experts who would previously worked on the software development side of large language models at Google Artificial Intelligence. It's powered by several LLMs, including OpenAI's GPT technology. So it can understand the context of questions and fetch relevant answers from many sources cited in the response. So let's say you are looking for some videos on a topic. Click on the focus option, pick YouTube as your source, then ask away, and the tool you scan YouTube to find videos that fit what you are looking for. Anyways, I'm just giving the context here, but we'll do this thing tomorrow in the next session. We'll gonna like use all these tools, and I will tell you how you can use these tools to gain so many outputs from these tools. Okay, so there is a ChatSonic is a generative AI conversational assistant developed by WriteSonic. It openly advertises itself as a ChatGPT alternative. It openly says that we are alternative of ChatGPT, promising more advanced features on its free plan than the popular tool. such as image generation capabilities and Google search integration. Another notable feature is the file chat support. Chatsonic supports file chat. Like when I say file chat, it lets you upload PDFs, images, and other files that Chatsonic will process and generate a response around, and it's for free. This makes it easy to summarize complex documents, go through web pages, and even transcribe audio. Well, in the next session, we'll gonna cover uh, or we gonna use all these tools and see their use case lively. For now, today we'll focus on how we can write the prompts very effectively. So I just wanted to give you some names of the alternatives of the chat GPT, but I told you in like in detail about them. Just a theoretical part, but I told you in detail, and it takes some of the time. So without being late, just let me share my screen and uh, yeah. So I hope so. I hope my screen is visible to you guys. Tell me if the screen is visible. So we'll start. So we'll start with the yeah. So you guys can see here I also do chat GPT a lot. And firstly, there are two types of prompts we can say. One is let's take an example. I will tell you example wise. Okay. So you in the first year you guys have common subject like you will learn about the chemistry, physics, you will learn about the energies and likewise thing. So let me first I will tell ChatGPT. I will write a prompt for the ChatGPT that tell me about energy. Okay, so let's see what it gives me the answer. So it gives me it's still making an answer, but if you it's giving me still it's like producing the answer. Okay, let's it's just because of my previous prompts, like you guys can see here I have tell I have learned chat gpt module likewise to give me a lot of data related data, but still uh, this information is sufficient. But this the way you tell me about energy, you haven't tell chat gpt to be effective. Like according to me this prompt doesn't work properly. It gives you about the information about energy, but what if you wanted to know specifically about the renewable and non-renewable energies? Okay, so in that aspect this work will not work. This prompt will not work. Okay, so it creates vagueness. Like it's too like broad, making it hard for the artificial intelligence to determine what specific information you want. Then it also provides a lack of direction. There is no indication of what aspect of energy you are interested in. like renewable and non-renewable renewable energy sources. It lead to potentially irrelevant responses. Then it also creates ambiguity. Without context, the artificial intelligence might give a general overview but could miss important details. Okay, so now let's discuss, or let's see a well structured prompt. Okay, so now I will give, wait for a while, just allow me a minute. uh, i'm 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 seeing that the link is not working. I will see what happening in there. So now I'm giving ChatGPT. Yeah, I told my colleagues to provide a updated link that will work. So now let's see a well structured prompt. Okay, so I will provide. Can you explain the, sorry, explain the key differences between, uh, what happening to my keyboard today, between renewable and, it's, and non renewable energy sources, focusing on their environmental impacts and examples of each. Okay, so now let's see how ChatGPT answer for this prompt. So you guys can able to see here. Now our GPT respond only in the way by which, first you need to explain GPT in a proper way by which they can get to know how you want exactly. In the above, like in this prompt, you tell them, just you give them a prompt that tell me about energy, but in that prompt you haven't explained the chat GPT what you want. So now the chat GPT respond you in the way exactly what you want. It gives you definition, gives you example, then it given you sustainability of the renewable energy sources, then same for the non-renewable energy sources, same for the environment impacts. Like, see how this is structured. Have you understand the difference between these two? Or should I? Yeah, Aditya said that in the chat. So, in short, we have to be very precise with the question and with the proper context. Right, Aditya? So, you need to be very precise. You need to explain what you want exactly. Then only GPT will understand your concern, will understand your question, and answers accordingly. It's a very good tool which is having an answer for all your questions. So why this prompt work? Because we give the clarity. It specifies exactly what information is needed. Then specificity. It asks for a comparison, guiding the AI artificial intelligence in organizing its response. Then context, mentioning environmental impacts and example, provides the context for a tailored answer. A well structured prompt is focused and specific, while poorly structured prompt is a vague and general. A well structured prompt provides clear guidance on the desired information, while poorly structured prompt leaves the artificial intelligence uncertain. The outcome of well structured prompt is typically a more irrelevant, sorry, again, relevant, it's relevant, and useful response, whereas a poorly structured prompt often result in the less helpful and generic manner. By using well-structured prompt as a model, we can refine our prompts to elicit more effective and useful responses for the conversational AI tools. Now, guys, uh, for example, or for to guide you more, we'll do one thing. For that, I need your responses, and like we'll take a daily life problem, and we'll see how the conversational AI will help us to solve your problem. Comment. Sorry, guys, there is some disturbance in our room. Sorry, guys, there is some disturbance in my room. I'm extremely apologetic for it. So we were discussing that we'll need some responses from you guys, and we'll need some we'll take a daily life problem which we will solve by using the conversational AI. So comment in the comment box which problems are you guys facing now, uh, like uh, for a context like time management, uh, like it's basically first year students face this kind of things, time management, or which technology should I choose for my career, or you are in a first year, so there is your question in your mind that how can I build my personal profile. So response what you guys are faced will take one it from you, and will solve that issue using chat gpt. So I got one response, coding. Okay. Then very hectic schedule of college, right, which comes under, we can consider that you are lacking in a time management. Okay. So yeah, Sanjay also having a same issue. Purva, it's saying time management. I need responses. So we'll choose like the best one, those who are having issue. Time management, prajakta, assignments. Again, it's we can say it will come under the time management. Get short notes of subject. Yeah, yeah. With the help of ChatGPT, as I said in a previous session, ChatGPT will help you in the for creating notes also in your studies also. We'll see that also. Get short notes of subject, cover lots of study in less time. Okay, that's okay. So basically, uh, we need we need to. I think we should decide time management for what I can say. So let's decide time management. All are okay with time management, how we can manage our time. And we'll do nothing, we'll just prompt to the chat gpt that this is our issue, give me the solution for that. Okay, everyone okay for with the time management? So we'll now let's start. And whenever you are doing something, okay, on a chat gpt, always create new chat. Okay, why this? Because chat gpt is a llm model. Whatever you will give as input, it will store with them, it will analyze that, and it will keep, uh, we can say it store your data. So they give you answer on the basis of your previous, like whatever you told him. Okay, so whenever you like, suppose for now I am doing time management related things on a chat gpt, I will open a new chat. Then suppose like someone said that I am facing some issues in the coding, then I will open a new chat for the coding purpose. Okay, so always new, open a new chat. So now we'll create a prompt that what are some effective time management strategies for college students to balance academic and personal responsibilities. Okay, now here we told ChatGPT about effective time management strategies for whom? For college students. And for what? To balance academic and personal responsibilities. So now ChatGPT have given answer that prioritize task using Eisenhower matrix. Now you will have the question, what is Eisenhower matrix? Okay, first we'll see we'll first go through the all his answer, and then we'll decide what should be the next prompt. Okay, so first prioritize the task using Eisenhower matrix. Then it also told you what is Eisenhower matrix, that it should be divided into the four parts: urgent and important, important but not urgent, it's urgent but it's not important, and there is a last section that is not urgent, not important. Okay, so task like assignments due to soon or exam preparation, it is urgent and it is important. But there are some tasks like long term project or a self study, it is important but it is not urgent. If there is an exam, then you should put your sorry, it you should your project work should be on a hold. Then there are some tasks like answering text or attending optional meetings, which is important. Like if your girlfriend messaged you, like it is urgent but it is not important. If you are studying something or if you are doing your study and in that your girlfriend messaged you, then the girlfriend expectations that yeah, my boyfriend should be reply me as soon as I texted him, or vice versa, I'm just giving a context. But it's not important. If you are studying at that time, your study is more important than texting back to her or him. Okay, and there some things like which are not urgent, not important, like watching a series. Suppose अभी कौन सी नई film आई, I don't know about this movie. things, but कोई नई मूवी आई है तो उसको देखना एंड अभी के अभी देखना इज नॉट अर्जेंट एंड नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो यू कैन prioritizing your task. You can watch it later on. Okay, that movie. So you need to prioritize your task, which need to be done now, which need to be done in next week, which week, or which need to be done in a month. Okay. After that, it says that create a weekly schedule. Then it gives set a smart goals. When it says smart, it gives you responses that specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. Okay, which help you stay focused on what you need to accomplish. Then it is giving you multiple options. Okay, it's not giving you a single option. You need to figure out which will be a suit best on you. Okay, it also it like suggesting you some things like avoid multitasking, learn say to know, learn batch similar task, uh, then sleep, self-care, regular review, and kind of things. Okay, now you need to tell ChatGPT. Is ChatGPT also ask you here, देखो, is this conversation helpful so far? So it's helpful for you, then thumbs up. If it is not helpful for you, then thumbs down. But I think it's helpful for me, so I will show a thumbs up. Okay. Then now suppose someone says assignments. Okay, so I will give him a next prompt that how can I prioritize prioritize or whatever, prioritize, let's, then what I wrote. Okay, as said, I was, and is my task effectively when I have multiple assignments due at the same time. We'll cover all. Someone says coding, someone says assignments. It is a part of the time management, but we'll cover all I will tell you how to prompt for these all problems. Okay, so go through this, read first here from here to end, and now at the end of the this you need to tell me whether it, like, it's still creating, but you need to tell me whether it will be useful or not. See, it's given you a whole plan to how you can prioritize your work. Then now let's ask ChatGPT about the tools. What tools or apps can help me manage my time better as a first year engineering student? So it will, now you are asking about the tools here. Then you said that, sorry, I write a tome here, but it's a timer, so I'm extremely sorry for that. Let's make it time, then send. It will create the prompt for me. Then it is listing you the to-do list, Notion, Trello, Forest, Clockify, Evernote, Microsoft OneNote, My Study Life. It's also telling you its features and why it's helpful, how it will help the how that app will help you. Okay, so by this way you can give a prompt to the Chat GPT. Then we do one thing when in during our engineering, that is procrastination. So like now, how can I say not to Chat GPT that help me in the help me to avoid the procrastination? So like simply, can you provide tips on how to avoid procrastination and stay focused while studying? It's making the response slowly just because maybe of my internet connection. And actually, I kept my laptop on my another laptop on the upgrade, so I think my Wi-Fi connection is getting utilized there a lot, and it's affecting my response time here. So here you can able to see there are so many methods it told to get rid of from the what. Tell me in the chats. Let's see you guys are attentive or not. Yeah, procrastination. So by this way, giving a prompt to the Chat GPT, you can get a read of your questions, whatever it is in your mind. You just tell Chat GPT in a very descriptive manner. Tell your point very well, and by that you will uh, like get the answer very precisely, and you will get solved from your question. Now I think you guys get to know like how to give prompt to the Chat GPT, why prompt is important, and how we can solve our personal life or daily life issues with the help of the Chat GPT, and how it will help us to get rid of our problems. Okay, so I have made something for you. I have made notes for you. I will share those notes. Let me share those notes also. Just give me a minute. Share my screen once again. I will share my entire screen now. So yeah, so this is here I have created a notes where you will get to know how to write the prompts very precisely. You will get idea how to create a prompt very precise, very correct, and by that way your Chat GPT or your any artificial intelligence tool, uh, uh, conversational artificial intelligence tool will answer you in a good way. Okay, this is our notes for the how to write effective prompts. And then I have made some prompts for you guys for like just content creation, uh, for writing like writing a poem, writing a blogs kind of things. Then we have created the prompts for marketing. Then we have created the prompts for business, for web development, for education, for music, for fun, for healthcare and well-being. Like you can just ask ChatGPT to prepare your like what food plan or what I'm not getting. It's in on my the tip of the tongue, but I'm not able to express it. But yeah, so it you can also take an help of chat gpt for resumes, for creating building a resumes. I will share all these notes to you, so you will get, you guys can get benefited from it. And now if you guys have any of the question, or if you guys have any of doubt, please ask me, we'll solve them. ChatGPT, I am seeing the response that ChatGPT can tell everything, but not everything, but it depends on how we use or apply and implement it. Yes, 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 yes. It's uh, it's same like a human. Like you, how you behave with someone in front of you. Like assume ChatGPT is your friend and behave like with him. Tell him all like the same as like you describe your problem to your friend. Describe the same issue to the chat gpt. Like same this time management thing, I have also do some research yesterday night. Like I was my previous week was very hectic and uh, very hectic, and it was like I was not able to do multitasking. So I was doing some research, how can I efficiently handle multitasking. And but the solution I got from that is awesome, and I hope and from today onwards I started implementing those solutions. And I at the night, like at this time, I'm seeing a change in my multitasking. Like I'm able to handle multiple things. So do you guys have any questions? I'm stop representing my screen. Tell me, guys, do you have any question? Can you suggest AI tool for study? So, uh, as I said, cloud AI, or you can just take an help of a chat GPT, or I have told you one more AI tool, which is, guys, tell me which is it. I told you that we can able to give PDFs in that tool. Do you guys remember? Okay, it is a chat sonic. So SK Creation said me that we can you suggest AI tool for study? You can use Chat Sonic application. I will tell you in the next session how you can use Chat Sonic. Okay. So guys, it's almost 9:34. We have started our session 19:34, which is 7:34. We have almost start being connected in 1 hour. So bye bye. Take care. Study hard. Bye.